Hello, and welcome to part 3 of our discussion essay series. In part 1, we understood what a discussion essay is, how it differs from an opinion essay, and the two structures you can use to write a discussion essay. In part 2, we wrote a complete Band 7 plus discussion essay step by step. Now, in this final part, we focus on something equally important: the most common mistakes students make in discussion essays and how to avoid them. At the end, I'll also give you practice questions so you can apply what you have learned. Let's get started. Before we finish, let me quickly show you 4 common mistakes that negatively affect your score in discussion essays. Mistake number 1: no clear opinion. The task usually says, discuss both views and give your opinion. Some students explain both sides but never clearly state where they stand. Without a clear opinion, your task response score drops. The fix is simple. State your opinion briefly in the introduction and restate it clearly in the conclusion. Mistake number 2: unequal development. Sometimes one paragraph is long and detailed, while the other is short and weak. This creates imbalance. The solution is balance. Both views should have similar length and similar depth of explanation. Mistake number 3: mixing both views in the same paragraph. When students write about both sides together, the structure becomes confusing. This affects coherence. Remember, one paragraph equals one view. Mistake number 4: forgetting examples. The question clearly asks for relevant examples. Abstract ideas alone are not enough. Each body paragraph should include at least one concrete example. Avoid these 4 mistakes and your discussion essay will immediately become clearer, more balanced, and ready for a higher band score. Now, it's your turn to practice. Here are 2 discussion essay questions. Choose the one that appeals to you more. Before you start writing, take 2 to 3 minutes to plan your ideas, just like we did in part 2 of this discussion essay series. As you write, keep these key reminders in mind. Follow a clear structure: introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion. Remember, one paragraph equals one view. Do not mix both perspectives together. Make sure both views are developed equally. Balance is essential. Include at least one relevant example in each body paragraph. And finally, state your opinion clearly, especially in the introduction and conclusion. When you finish, review your essay using these points as a checklist. That brings us to the end of our discussion essay series. You now understand the structure, the writing process, and the common mistakes to avoid. If you apply what you have learned and practice consistently, discussion essays will become organized, controlled, and much easier to manage. Thank you so much for watching this discussion essay series. If you found it helpful, please like the video, share it with others preparing for IELTS, and subscribe to the channel for more IELTS-focused lessons. I'll see you in the next video.